Welcome back everyone to another episode, and today we're doing things a little bit differently because why? Well, quarantine, and also because I just don't feel like being in front of the camera, okay? So today we're going to be talking about some essential and non-essential film photography accessories. First up is a film photography box, just a miscellaneous box, just a sturdy one that has a lid, or maybe it doesn't really matter. No, this video is not sponsored by Mr. Porter, but if you are watching from Mr. Porter, yeah, I will take your sponsorship. First up are some batteries. So you want to stock with some batteries. This is obvious. If your camera needs batteries, get some batteries. Get more than one. The last thing you want to be doing is not shooting because you forgot to get some batteries. I also keep these spare parts for my Fuji X-T3s, just these battery doors and stuff that I know I'll definitely lose. And this is probably something that you don't have. A test roll. You need a test roll. I'm sure you probably will plan on buying more cameras. You're going to need a test roll. Sacrifice one roll, a cheap roll of film, to test all your cameras with. Don't come crying to me when you buy a camera that doesn't work. Alright? Get a test roll. Now, in this little envelope, I've got some light seal foam. Yes, light seal foam. This stuff is cheap as chips. I got this for about £1 or so, and this will last you a really long time. Don't pay to get your camera's light seals replaced. Just do it yourself. All you literally do is measure it and you cut it. This one has a sticky back, so it just sticks in like no problem. Next up is a rocket / dust blower. Call it what you like. This is an essential. Alright guys, if there's anything that cameras hate, it's dust. Secondly, a microfiber cloth. This too is to not only get rid of dust, but also to get rid of all your greasy fingerprints off of your beautiful camera gear. Last thing you want is a dirty fingerprint smudge on your lens. Dust is the enemy of film photography because it can affect the image, it can reduce the value of your gear. Next up in the fight against dust is a dust bag. You need to store your cameras in something that will protect it from dust. The last thing you want is dust getting in the camera body, in the lens, because that will affect the image quality and the value. So now I keep all my cameras, when they're not in use, in these microfiber lined thick camera bags. Alternatively, if you've got the money and space, you could put them in a glass display cabinet or store them in some sort of airtight containers. Organize your negatives. Get some film sleeves, get some folders, and just organize your shit. What is the point of spending all that money and all that time if you're not going to take care of them? Next up, you're going to need to scan all your negatives, where you're going to store your scans in a hard drive probably. And I'm telling you to get a copy of your hard drive. Back up your backup, because I promise you, one of these days that hard drive will fail and you will cry and you will regret not getting a backup. Back up your backup. Next up, some non-essential accessories. This is a soft shutter release button. They're cheap, they're just fun, they make your camera look cool. You know, it doesn't really do much. It's just beautiful. That's all. It's just a bit of camera bling. These buttons easily screw into a threaded shutter release button, so if your camera doesn't have a threaded shutter release button, well then there really isn't much I can do for you. Next up is a non-essential essential. It's actually essential. It's a camera strap, guys. If you're a fan of not dropping a camera, then get one. Listen to that. Ooh, what a beautiful sound. Okay, lastly, this is a non-essential, but these are little silicone covers for your lens, and they claim to be shock absorbing. I'm not really sure, but I use them because it protects my lens from scratches, and also it's another extra layer of protection against dust. Anyway guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, comment something nice down below. Follow me on Instagram, because I post there almost daily, pretty much daily, just not on the weekends. Check out my portfolio at zainreaser.com, and if you don't know how we do things around here, I've uploaded to the channel twice a week. That's right, twice a week. That's all from me guys. Keep learning, keep shooting, and I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, peace, bye.